What is up, guys? Today, yesterday, my mum, I told some of my friends because we was on a trip, and I told my friend when we was sitting next to who is India, her channel is Lavender Queen. I did tell her I'm gonna get a spinny thing, and this is it. Well, some people call it a fidget spinner, alright? Some people call it a fidget spinner. And some people call them whirlers. On Facebook, they're called whirlers for some reason. I don't know why they call them whirlers. I'm gonna call it a fidget spinner. Okay, the camera. So I just want you guys to know that my mum tried her best because she had to go to hospital to an MRI scan yesterday. And yesterday I told her to get me one, and I got one. I said, what a. So she's gonna try her best to get one. I know the places were out of stock, and the only last shop, which was like a toy shop, she bought it from, and it was £7. £7. That is just cool, isn't it? £7 just for this, which is cool because it just is. So I just want you guys. My friends have got some at school, but I still want them guys to know. So I just want you guys to have one of these. And I'm sorry guys if the camera keeps falling, it's just because I need to get ready for school, because it is Wednesday today. So we after this, these are spinning. And the thing I hate, that Mr. Brooks, which was our group teacher for the trip, he wants to give our wristbands to the people that didn't go on the trip. It's not fair. So we just went on that trip for nothing. But I'll show you what I did get. I got slime. Not that, I was going to say that. My gold coin is over there. That's the gold coin. That's the gold coin over there, which I'll show you. And I got this, that when it goes in the sun. Oh, the beads are the wrong way around. It don't matter if the beads are the wrong way around. I'll just put them back on where they're meant to be. The beads, when they're in the sun, they turn a different colour. So I really want to take this fidget spinner to school because I want to show some of my friends, which they might not be bothered about. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so this cost £7 from the shop she got it from. I told her to get me red, but it does look like pink, but it don't matter. It works perfect. These are bearings off the skateboard. If you don't know what these are, the bearings off a skateboard. I went to uni yesterday on a trip with my friends, and I had to be Mr. Brooks's group again, which I hate that group. So, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Okay. Well, I will show you what tricks I could do. I can balance it on my thumb. 1 second, that's not properly. I can balance it on my thumb with just the thumb. I could also balance it on my forehead. I'll show you guys. I don't know if you can see my face, but if you can't, I'm sorry. So, I'll have to put you up. So, this is how you do it. So you have to put your head like that. And just spin it. Alright? Just spin it. Okay? Just spin it. And it's perfectly on. Right. Second one is the nose. The nose is The nose is hard because you just can't balance it. I can do it. Oh, I did it. Right, guys. I did do it then. I don't know if you guys see that. So I can do that. I can balance it on my toe, but my toe's not that good. Toe's not that good. So I really want you guys to have a fidget spinner. And if you guys want to enjoy my video, I mean, if you guys want to send me some fan mail, I'll be putting up. I'll be telling you. I don't really want to know because I don't even know if you. Anyway, just forget about that. Hope you guys have a lovely day today, and hope you all have a fantastic week on Monday. Well, it's bank holiday Monday. I get an extra day up because one. So I can only do it one hand because I'm holding the camera, as you can see. Just put your finger there and just spin it. This camera. Go. Go. So, I'll see you. Well, I'll see you. Well, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.